Hello, my name's Brennen, and today's story is about school renovations. This school has been around for decades, which means that it's obviously got some kinks in its design and problems that need to be ironed out. Renovations are the solution to those problems. I interviewed Mr. Siemens and Mr. Erickson about current and future renovations.
But one of the biggest things that probably people have noticed is the curb and gutter on the south side of the school. Replaced the curb and gutter and actually add a sidewalk on the south side of the school where the students' parking lot is at. So talking about cement, the next thing then would be, probably the next month, we'll start to see some construction on the north side of that area. So again, it'd be kind of that pool area. Still on the south side of the school campus, but we're going to be replacing the sidewalk, curb and gutter from the alley all the way up to door C on the south side of the school. So we look forward to that. We're going to change some of the entrance that goes into the pool area. We'll have some different things there and some different ADA accessible ramps that'll be in place. They've wanted to replace the scores table in the big gym, and we were able to find a vendor that could come up with a new scores table that will fit into our current bleacher system. And then up on the wall where the current flag, the American flag, is hanging, we're going to be putting I believe it's 5 foot by 11 foot flat screen panel up there that will mirror some of the things that we're able to do with the new scores table. Also, we'll be able to put the flag up there during the national anthem. So we'll still use that spot for a flag that'll be on the flat screen.
So on the elementary side, Brennen, we're in one of them. Those of you that have been into the school before, you know that this used to be the main office. As you can see, we have a nice table here. We have new cabinets, a new paint job. So we are able to use that for a couple different things. We have some meetings, things like this. We also have a lot of our teachers that use this as kind of another area to work with some kids. So we've been able to utilize that, and I think it really turned out very nice. Playground wise, Mr. Fordall kind of spearheaded this. He came last year and asked if we could put up some more baskets. So we got 3 new baskets up, and we're looking at doing a couple other things out on the playground, putting up some foursquare, possibly some volleyball nets and different things. In the kitchen, we've also upgraded some of our appliances. We do have a new staff. We have done a great job the first couple weeks here, some menus and all the different things they're doing. Part of our ESSER money is we put up a nice big screen TV too up there, and we put the menu each week, and then we have some healthy ideas and healthy diets, so the kids really like that. It's kept the noise down a little bit, so we like that as well. And then we just did order some new mats for the cooks to stand on. So along with the grants that we're talking about, we always, of course, have the fruit and vegetable grants, so all of our kids in K through 6 get fruits and vegetables.
So we do have new air conditioners that were put on the campus. They're replacing old ones that are getting to the end of life. So it isn't necessarily like, oh, hey, that's new, we've never had it. But when those old things fail and they're not able to get here, that's when we recognize that, oh yeah, it's nice to continually update some of the stuff that we have that makes it a nice, enjoyable environment for us. So, and what's nice also with that is these ones that you're able to heat with these air conditioners. So that first part of the late fall, early winter, where we don't have extreme cold conditions, we can heat with those, and that keeps us from firing up the big boilers.
And that's what the current principals are planning for the future of this school's infrastructure. My name's Brennen, and I hope you have a good day.